Welcome back. This is part 3 of my series, How to Create a Successful Website in 2025. Originally, we were going to cover both hosting and frameworks here, but hosting is so important I had to give it its own episode. So today, we're diving into web hosting, the land your website is built on, because if your land is shaky, your website will always struggle. Web hosting is simply where your website lives. If your domain is the address, hosting is the land your shop sits on, and not all land is equal. Here are the three main types. So you've got shared hosting. The cheapest option, your site shares space and resources with hundreds of others. It works for small sites, but it's slow and one bad neighbor can bring everyone down. Then there's VPS hosting. This is like owning a flat in a building. You share, but you get your own allocated resources. It's faster, more secure, and great for growing businesses. And then you've got dedicated hosting. This is like owning the whole building. Maximum speed, control, and security, but also the highest cost. And in 2025, there's also something called cloud hosting, like Amazon Web Services or Google Cloud. This is flexible, scalable, and pay as you go, but it can be complex to manage. So why does hosting matter so much? Web hosting matters so much because speed, uptime, and security are all ranking factors for SEO and user experience. A fast, secure host makes your website feel professional. A cheap and reliable one makes visitors click away before they even see your content. So here's a checklist before you buy your web hosting. Make sure the web hosting provides 99.9% uptime. It has fast servers, ideally with SSDs. Free SSL certificates comes as standard for security, has good customer support, and has scalability for when your business grows. In short, hosting is the foundation of your entire online presence. Build on solid land and everything else becomes easier. Build on weak land and no amount of design or content will save it. In part 4, we'll move on to frameworks and platforms, WordPress, Shopify, or custom code, and which one fits your business best. Follow so you don't miss it.